soybeans, coffee, roses. Did you know? Just one small change can make your orchid bloom non-stop. Sometimes it's not about doing more, just doing it right. Stay tuned, and let's unlock that orchid magic together. My orchid stopped thriving after the blooming season. It's no longer green and can't absorb nutrients properly. When you buy an orchid from the store, the sellers often use fertilizers that make the plant look really healthy and the leaves super green. The roots have rotted, which makes it really hard for the orchid to absorb water and nutrients properly. Have you ever had to deal with root rot before? How did you fix it? First, we're going to trim off the rotting roots. Let's take it step by step. We shouldn't cut the flower spike too close to the base of the plant. Leave a bit of it intact so the orchid can keep growing and possibly bloom again. Because the plant still has fertilizer in the existing media, we won't remove all the moss. Hey, orchid lovers, where in the world are you watching from? Drop your city or country in the comments. I'd love to connect with you. And if there's anything you're struggling with in your orchid care journey, don't hesitate to share. Let's grow and thrive together. Rinse your orchid with clean water. Did you know? In commercial orchid farms, it's nearly impossible for them to take care of every single plant individually. That's why many orchids end up dusty and dirty. But the amazing part is, they can still mass produce and propagate orchids like crazy. What do you think orchids need the most to stay healthy? Light, water, or nutrients? Type 1, 2, or 3 in the comments. Use cloth to wipe orchids. Next, we'll use a small cup of soybeans. Pour 500 milliliters of warm water. Soak it for 40 minutes. Next, we'll use 1 teaspoon of coffee grounds. Pour 500 milliliters of warm water. Stir the solution. Soak it for 20 minutes. Prepare 4 rose blossoms. Using rose petals for orchids might sound unusual, but it actually has a lot of benefits for your plant. Roses are packed with natural antioxidants, which help boost your orchid's immune system. making it stronger against diseases and environmental stress. Put the rose petals into a blender. After soaking the soybeans for 40 minutes, we'll add them to a blender along with the rose petals. Filter the solution through rails. Don't throw away the leftover rose petals and soybean residue. You can use them as a natural fertilizer for your other plants. They're packed with nutrients that will help nourish your other plants and boost their growth as well. Filter the solution through rails. Dilute the juice with 500 milliliters of clean water. Stir the solucio. Use cloth to wipe orchids. Did you know that coffee doesn't just help us stay awake, but it also contains many nutrients that can benefit your orchids? Coffee is rich in nitrogen, which helps promote healthy leaf growth. Let's combine the coffee with the rose water and soybeans for a powerful nutrient mix for your orchids. Stir the solucio. Let's place the orchid into the solution to soak. With the nutrients from soybean combined with rose petals and coffee, this soak will help your orchid absorb natural plant-based proteins, amino acids, and essential minerals, all of which are great for root recovery, greener leaves, and encouraging new flower buds. After soaking for 30 minutes, we'll gently take the orchid out and get ready for the next step. Next, we'll use cinnamon powder to help dry and heal the wounds on the orchid. Cinnamon has natural antibacterial and antifungal properties, which makes it perfect for preventing infections after trimming roots. Just sprinkle a little on the cut areas. Don't be shy, your question might help someone else too. Let's grow together and keep our orchids happy and healthy. Next, let's go ahead and plant our orchid. Make sure the roots are nicely settled, and use bark or moss to gently support the plant so it stands upright. Don't pack it too tight. Orchids love good airflow around their roots. Don't toss that leftover solution, it's plant gold. Dip a clean cotton pad into the leftover solution and gently wipe the leaves of your orchid. This not only helps the plant absorb nutrients directly through the leaves, but also removes any dust, helping it photosynthesize better. Think of it like a mini spa day for your plant. You can actually do this leaf wiping routine every day. Pour the solution into a spray bottle and use it to mist your orchid. A light spray every 2 to 3 days can give the plant a steady, gentle boost of nutrients. Be sure to mist in the morning so the leaves have time to dry, preventing any mold or rot. If you're not using it all at once, store the remaining liquid in a clean container in the fridge. Try to use it within 3 to 5 days to ensure it stays fresh and effective. After 5 weeks of care, your orchid's leaves should show significant improvement. The leaves will become thicker, greener, and healthier. The leaves will appear shinier and glossier, indicating that the plant is absorbing nutrients well and has regained vitality. If you've been following the right steps, the roots will start to grow stronger and more vibrant. They will likely be thicker and a healthy shade of white or green, indicating that the plant is absorbing nutrients properly. And that's a wrap. After just 5 weeks, you can see the incredible transformation in our orchid's roots and leaves. With the right care and a little patience, your orchid can thrive again and bloom beautifully. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share your orchid care tips or any questions in the comments below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening.